All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We got another Michael's $10 grab bag for you. This is Christmas stuff. I had bought a total of 4 of these boxes, so this is my second one. So make sure you guys follow along. I'll have a few more boxes to open with this one. And if you haven't seen the other one, make sure you look at the previous videos. And I do have some other ones that I just opened that were some clearance ones too, but these are all Christmas stuff in these boxes. So make sure if you guys haven't seen the other videos, you check them out. We did get some good scores. And then hopefully we picked another good one for this one too. Can't wait to see what we got. All right. Holy cow. Let's see. So we got these big rolls of ribbon. These things are $24.99 for each one of these rolls of ribbon. So it looks like we got a red, green, and white striped one. And then we got 2 of these ones that almost look like a candy cane stripe. We got 2 of those. And then we've got, sealing wax. I do have a little stamper I got in another Michael's box so that'll be nice. I can use that with these. And then we got some little blue napkins that says, "Let the light shine." And then, oh, this is super cute. We got a little drink tray. It says "Cheers, Clink, Drink." That's super cute. It's heavy too. And this one, originally $39.99. So a $40 tray. And this thing is heavy. It's solid. And then, we got a really cool tree skirt. Look at this. That is super cute. And this thing is coming up $39.99 also. That is a super cute tree skirt. Oh, that is super cute. Excited for that. And then we got a whole bunch of little decorative vase fillers. We got these red and white ones. We got some green, red, and white. We got some gold and red. And yeah, that looks like all the colors we got. These are cute too. We probably got 6, 7 of these. I mean, guys, these boxes are filled. This is craziness. I've never seen a boxes this filled before. And then we got, it looks like a tree topper. Could be a tree topper. It could just be a little decorative piece. But that's super cute. And this thing was $19.99. Oh, we got boxes of Christmas cards. So it looks like we got 3 boxes of Christmas cards. That's super cute. And then, I'm not sure what these are. Bell tray. It just says they're a tray. It's shaped like a little bell. We got that one. And we got one that's shaped like a Christmas tree. These are cute. And these are regular $9.99. So 10 bucks a piece. And then, oh my goodness, we got a lot of stockings. These are super cute stockings, almost like a rug. That is super cute. We got the Santa Claus one. And we got 2 of the reindeer. And these stockings, let's see how much they retail for. Oh my gosh, each one of these stockings is $21.99. That is super cute and a good deal for sure. We're talking 2, 4, 6, 8, $100 in just stockings. That's craziness. And then more of the little vase fillers. So yeah, that was it, guys. So I'd say we made out on this box too for $10. I mean, if you guys have a Michael's near you, or are just kind of guessing if you guys should get one of these, they're totally worth it, especially if you're just needing Christmas stuff. But yeah, guys, make sure you stick around. I got 2 more boxes for you, so we'll see what goodies we got in that. So I appreciate you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Bye.